Yo, what is up, guys? So today we're going to go over my 2024 cardboard gun collection. As you guys know, I've built countless number of cardboard guns over the past few years, and I've donated some of them to my friends. So today I want to show you guys my current gun collection, and although I've made a lot of progress in terms of the quality of my cardboard build, so I decided to show it to you guys in one particular video instead of the piece videos on my channel. So this is the one particular video for my 2024 gun collection. So without wasting much of your time, let's go over them. So this is my cardboard AK-47 that I actually built. That was back in 2021. This was my first, almost like one of my early builds AK-47. So you can see it didn't look that well, but it's not too bad, at least for my early builds. I'll say it's okay, although it doesn't resemble an AK-47 that much, but as I said, it's one of my earlier builds, so I'll take it like that. So let's move on to my current AK-47 gun. So this is my current AK-47 gun. As you guys can see, this one looks much accurate to the real AK-47, and it even has removable magazine like this, and you can actually remove the bullet and put it back inside. So let's assume that this is the projectile bullets. You can actually load them in. So assuming you have several bullets, you can load them in to the 30 round magazine. So this is my current AK-47, and it's probably one of my favorite guns. Let's say my second most favorite cardboard gun so far. So I'll put it right here. Then let's move to my most favorite cardboard gun. That will be the M4 carbine. So this M4 is not my first M4. I built a lot of M4 in the past, and they didn't look that much accurate to the real thing compared to this one. This is my current M4 carbine, and this one looks much accurate. It has almost all the functionality of the real M4 carbine. It has the foldable buttstock over here. It has the charging handle, which can actually lock in place. So if I press this side, the charging handle will move, as you guys can see. So it has almost all the functionality of the real thing. So this is probably my most favorite cardboard gun, and it also has the loadability mechanism. You can actually load bullets inside like the real gun. So this is also my favorite cardboard gun, probably my most favorite cardboard gun so far. I know you guys have seen a lot of videos about my M4. So if you want more videos about the disassembly and all the other parts or features of my M4 carbine, you can check over on my YouTube channel. There are a lot of videos about my M4 and over there. So let's go over my other gun. So this one is the I'm coming. So this one is the Glock 19. This is not the first Glock 19 I've built. As I said, all my guns have built previous prototypes, but they didn't resemble like the current one. The previous one, they were okay, but they didn't resemble the real actual gun. So this is my current Glock 19 that I built. Shout out to Gunmaster Dude. I actually got the templates for this a Glock 19 from Gunmaster Dude. So shout out to Gunmaster Dude for providing that template. So it also has almost all the functionality of the real thing. You can actually has a slide release like this. I know you guys have seen, all my followers have seen these videos from my channel, but if you are new, it has this feature. It has almost all the functionality. You can actually disassemble it and reassemble it like the real thing. You can check the videos on my channel. So this is also one of my 2024 gun collection, and it's probably part of my most favorite cardboard guns that I've built so far. So So let's move over to something else. So this is the AKA 74U that I built, I think, a later part of last year. So this AKA 74U, it actually resembles the real thing, but it's not my most favorite. It's okay, but not my most favorite compared to the other tech guns that I showed earlier. So it also has the removable magazine like this one. You can put it back inside and charge the handle or whatever they call it. You can actually fold the stock like the real thing. So let me demonstrate it to you right now. You can fold it and unfold it like the real thing. So this is actually another part, another, what do we call it? Another another gun of my 2024 gun collection. So let's move over to something else. I mean something big. So this is my RPG 7, which I built recently. It's not that long ago. This one you can actually remove the projectile from the, what do you call it, the launcher, and this is how the projectile looks. These chickens are worrying my videos too much. So this is the projectile of the RPG 7. Then you can load it back inside like the real thing. You load it inside like this and you lock it in place. Then these are the iron sights. You can fold it up and down like the real thing. And for you to fire it, you just move the striker down like this. So if you click it, the striker will go up, then click the projectile, then it will start the whole process, then launch the projectile out to its target. So this is my RPG 7. I mean it's not even going on in frame. I have to start out to show you guys. So that's my RPG 7, and all these guns are cardboard. Please, these are not real firearms. These are just cardboard. I just build them for fun. I just love how guns work and those kind of stuff. So I just build them just to learn about them, then decorate my room with it. So for those of you going in my comments and seeing that I'm working with Hamas, please stop. I don't know Hamas. I've never even associated with them before. So those of you saying I'm working with Hamas, whatever, no, please stop. I don't work with them. I'm just a guy in my room building cardboard guns just for fun. I'm not any terrorist or any bad guy. So please stop those kind of comments. Okay, let's move on to something else. So this is my AR-15. It's probably one of my past guns. It's not my most favorite, but it's part of my 2024 gun collection. So it has the red dot sight over here. You can check my previous videos. I made a video on it. So that's my AR-15. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you did, make sure you like and subscribe. As you guys can see in the background, I'm currently working on the Iron Man Mark 42 suit. I'm trying to build a full suit, so I need you guys' support. I need you guys to like my videos, share my videos, and comment what you think about them in the comment section below. So that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.